Hi, I'm Karthik. Welcome back to my Marketer channel. In this video, I'm going to show how you can reorder the Zap actions. As you might know, Zap has we need to have a mandatorily have a trigger, and then there can be number of actions. But what if at all you want to reorder it? I will show you how you can quickly do it. Just go to the Zap. You want to change the order of the actions. Just go to edit draft, edit existing draft, and you can see click outline in the right side, and now you can see there will be, when you hover over different actions, you can just see, you can drag and reorder these steps. So this way you can easily reorder the actions wherever you wish to reorder the actions wherever you wish to wherever you wish the particular action to move into. This is very simple, and ensure that the actions doesn't have the variables from the preceding action, because when you reorder it, if it throws an error like this, it means like this is the third action is dependent on the second action. So otherwise the reordering won't help you. If at all I'm reordering a dummy step like a delay, you can reorder it anyway. Ensure that once once you are sure of that, then there is no problem in reordering the different actions. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing channel. Bye.